Hi, Jerry Pacella, MarineMax Copeg. On board the all-new Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. Let's take a look in the bow. This is the navigation light. It's a unique light from Boston Whaler because it's actually a chock system as well. Something you would never see on another 15-foot boat. Awesome setup. As we move back, with a large anchor locker. Again, remember, 15-foot boat. It's a very nice thing to have, that big. This boat comes with the fishing package, which includes aft backrest with rod holders, cooler, and on the starboard side, tackle storage. This boat is equipped with a mercury outboard, so you have the tachometer, the voltmeter, a couple of switches, bilge pump switch, navigation, and accessory switch if you're adding a GPS. The leaning post seat is adjustable. At this point it's set up so that we can sit and run sitting down. If I move it to this position, it actually gives us a place to stand and lean in so we can run the boat standing up. Moving aft again, further aft, Boston Whaler has added a larger fuel tank than we've had in the past, which is great for longer trips. This boat comes with a 60 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury. Come down to MarineMax Copeg and check it out.